Potential for no trades today. Potentially. Maybe. Market's about to open. Boom. We inverse the gap in the 15 minute. Break structure to the upside. We're looking hella bullish on every single time frame. Let's see what we do. Might be retracing to a 15 minute gap to either inverse it or continue higher. Oh. Ooh, now this is spicy. Damn. The more bearish index opened bullishly. The more bullish index opened bearishly. I know this is the more bullish index because of this bearish SMT divergence that potentially was made. Now it just got invalidated. This index had it like right here or some shit. A bearish SMT divergence, high time frame bearish SMT divergence, where Nasdaq was the more bearish index, and it started. Market open. It started bullish, opened bullishly. Fuck, I couldn't find the words there. Swept out high, all-time highs. Previous day high. We've swept up 4-hour previous day Asia high, all-time high. 4-hour previous day Asia all-time high. We haven't swept out any significant draws on ES, but Nasdaq we for sure are. Nasdaq looks like the more bullish index, even when this SMT divergence was supposed to confirm that ES was the more bullish index. Hopefully the market goes back to normal after the Iran's proposal on the agreement to end the war. So we're gonna look for, we're definitely looking like bullish fundamentally. And we're also looking extremely bullish technically. Through technical analysis, we're definitely looking bullish. Through fundamental analysis, we're definitely looking bullish. Every single time frame we're bullish. Not a single thing that's denying or invalidating my bullish bias. If we push above all-time highs and we have no liquidity to the upside to exit out from, we'll just do a one-to-one trade. Small win. I'm gonna break structure, but I'm expecting a 5-minute retracement at least. Or even a 15-minute retracement, even though we probably just had one already. We had a 15-minute retracement on this 15-minute gap. The art is a retracement here as well. See the same shit happen on ES. Yep. 30-minute. 1 hour's looking bullish. 4 hours looking bullish. Obviously the daily's bullish. 30 minutes bullish. 15 is 5-minute. we inverse this gap here after retracing. We also just inverse this. There was no gap, we broke structure. Our 5-minute candlestick just closed, so we're gonna have to expect a retracement on the 5-minute. So, like right there. Can't wait to play some games, some video games after this. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm keen to play some like. No, I don't want to leak anything. Don't want to leak anything about myself. Because this trading shit will happen. I will get a lot of money from this, and I don't want people to know who I am. Maybe we need a 5-minute 5-minute candlestick to close, and then we can retrace into a gap rather than retracing all the way down to equilibrium. Either or would work though. I don't even know what the more bullish index. Low-key just Nasdaq, eh? Yeah, Nasdaq looks more bullish, I won't lie. Damn, I'm feeling this. Damn. I can't forget that Nasdaq has these actually no, both indexes have 1 hour low and a London low, so relatively equal lows. Yes, has this.
If times are hard, good things nor bad things last forever. But most generally, we are in control of our
We could 100% come down here.
When I say that, I mean this.
We're either retracing or we're actually gonna continue lower to sweep out these lows. Because this has like a crazy strong magnet on it. Look, it's a 4-hour relative equal Asia/London low. That's nuts. Okay, well, if we're looking for longs, we're definitely taking a trade on Nasdaq. If we're looking for shorts, we're taking a trade on ES. Simple.
Don't stop. Never stop learning. Always reach out to better yourself.
5-minute candlestick's about to close. Okay, we're in a gap on ES. I want Nasdaq to retrace a little bit, at least. There's no gap here, so we gotta. Surely Nasdaq is retracing now. Hoping we create a downwards candlestick so we can create a lower high, so it'd be easier for us to break structure to the upside. Plus we got more. Damn, that was a fucking. We get a bigger profit range. If we. This was either a sweep or we're actually gonna break structure. Okay, we haven't break structure. Still haven't retraced on Nasdaqistan. Oh. We haven't broke structure still. See something. Let's see something. But like, it's not like we're due for a retracement on 15-minute because we retraced here, and we also retraced on a 30-minute. Learned something new. So during pre-market, if we break structure to the upside and we retrace on the higher time frame, especially not on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, if we do that type of shit, if we follow through my strategy through pre-market, then I don't think it's a bad idea to take a trade as soon as market opens if you know where price is gonna go. To be fair, like, where did market open? We did break structure as well, even after retracing on the higher time frame. You see the 1 hour. Is that retracement there? Didn't really retrace on the 1 hour. $72, 16, 18, $72, 16, 12, but it shows different shit on ES. Thing is, we don't need a retracement on ES. Nasdaq we do though. Everybody knows how the story goes. We're gonna get something here. 15-minute candlestick close. I forgot. Yeah, I mean we just broke structure hella upwards. Alright, we're in a 5-minute gap. See what we do after doing this. Maybe we'll sweep out all these 1-minute lows before continuing higher. If we don't, then like, why are we going down now? Maybe a retracement on the 15-minute is low-key kind of due. So I can understand why. So that means if we get a retracement on the 15-minute and we see selling power to the upside on the 5-minute, it's low-key looking good. We may not get a full retracement on Nasdaq. Maybe on ES we will. If we don't bounce back up after hitting equilibrium here, then it's kind of poop. Or even just sweeping out these 5-minute lows, whilst also rebalancing this imbalanced price range of just bullish candlesticks, tapped into a gap on Nasdaq. So we're kind of just waiting for like. Yeah, we might be due for a 15-minute retrace. I want to see a 5-minute break structure to the upside after we retrace the 15-minute equilibrium. Or even if we just break structure on the 1 minute to the upside, it's still a valid buy order on both indexes. So Nasdaq is more bullish than ES at the minute. Is there a gap here? There is a gap. More in it. I think Nasdaq needs to break above these highs. Alright, time to lock in. It's probably just a sweep of 1-minute lows before continuing higher. The thing is, we did break structure to the downside, so it's like, but that was probably just a, oh, even if we break structure to the downside, that's probably just a confirmation that we're gonna a confirmation of that 5-minute retracement. Okay, of course we don't invest that shit. So ES, Nasdaq did not either. Okay, why is it saying that we did? 72, 73.50. I literally closed at it. Even if we closed at it, we can't enter because we didn't break structure to the upside on Nasdaq. I'm skipping this shit. So if we invest the gap now, even though we kind of did already, and we break structure at the same time, that's a long order. That's a long. Nope. Damn. Why Why does it look like ES is kind of maintaining bearish structure? Okay, well, if we don't bounce back after hitting equilibrium here, then I'm expecting a turnaround, a reversal. Did it create a higher high? Oh shit. Oh, here comes a buy order. Alright, we take a 1-to-1. Oh shit. Trading makes you nervous, bro. If we don't hit it, then oh well. Bro, this shit's actually gonna get hit. Brr. Dude, even fucking ES, the more bearish index, break structure to the upside. There's no way we don't come up here. There's no exit liquidity to the upside, so just take a 1-to-1 trade, a quick 1-to-1. Okay, what are we doing? Bruh. Right, time to chill on my throne. Either my stop loss gets hit or my take profit gets hit. Don't really care what happens. This crazy fucking price action, man. Making me think there's like news going on or some shit, man. Surely... Oh, okay, thank God. I thought I got booted out my trade on my front of the account because I'm on my fucking... I'm nearly at fucking max drawdown. That's why I had to take like small micro contracts. I don't know why, but I really just don't think we're gonna go lower. We already had a 1 minute sweep of liquidity. Okay, well, I can't even go on my phone. I don't need to do that actually. Whoops. I need to exit out my trade on fucking... Oh shit. There we go. Going on my phone. Bro, I can't even look at my phone. I have to watch the charts, bro. That was crazy press action, by the way. Stance to end the war. Let's go. Iran state run IRNA. Stop losses. I mean, my take profit's about to get hit. I gotta keep an eye on that shit. Foreign minister, Iran's foreign minister, blah blah blah, Araghchi briefs regional counterparts on Iran's stance to end the war. No high impact news, so I don't really have to worry about where I have to exit. Just hit. Brr. Not looking at any dollar amounts, which is a dub. Up. And bruh. Literally edged it. And that's annoying. Oh well. And boom. God damn. Thank God, bro. Like, just fucking having so many shit days in a row. Even if I, like, I don't know, bro. Like, how much was that? 54. That was a big win. Look at that, man. I think I was on a 2-day loss streak and then a 2-day win. I think I had a 4-day loss streak. That was really bad. And then I had like a massive win streak here. Just going up and down. That's how trading is, though. I'm expecting a small like percentage of profit by the end of the month. How much did I make that? I actually made a decent amount. Alright, you know, anyways, YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Kickstream. Do I have any viewers? Ha! I got a total of 0 viewers. Hey. If you're watching my YouTube, thank you. If you are watching my stream VOD, thank you. If you had a bad day, hopefully it gets better. If you had a good day, hopefully tomorrow is better. Peace.